Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find wallet address on Kraken. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for kraken.com. Now once you are on Kraken, you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now over here on the home page, you are going to see this deposit tab. So if you click on deposit, then you will be landed on this transfer page where you need to make sure that it is selected as deposit. Once done, you will have to first select the cryptocurrency, the wallet address of which you want to get. In order to select it, you will have to press this drop arrow button, and after that among the given cryptocurrencies you will have to select the cryptocurrency, the wallet address of which you want to find. Let's say you want to find the wallet address of Bitcoin. So in the search bar, you need to search for BTC and then tap on BTC. Afterwards, you will be able to see its QR code as well as the deposit address. So if you want to copy it from here, then you will have to tap on the copy button right next to it. If you want to generate a new address, then you need to press this option and it will generate a new wallet address for you. You can even manage your deposit addresses by clicking on this option. This way you will be able to easily find your wallet address on Kraken. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.